Tim Dahl is flying a scratch-built Mercury Redstone. It's white and black, 6 inches in diameter, 5 feet 5 inches tall. It weighs 11 pounds. It's flying on a J510. Tim, are you ready? Tim is ready. 3-1 is armed. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, we got a chute on top. And we'll keep an eye on that. I'm going to run over and turn our FRS review on really quick so that we're broadcasting on channel 2. So stand by. Trying really hard to hover right over the flight line so that we can't move on to the next rocket. Keep an eye out on the east end of the flight line as this one comes in. It's over the range right now. Heads up on the east end of the flight line as that one comes in. Stay in front of you. Yeah, there we go. Very nice, Tim.